There's my little cowgirl. She's going for a ride again. She's gonna figure it out. Let's bounce. Let's get a little bounce going. Isabel. Let's look and see just how short those. Oh. She's in there crooked. Notice the dish towels that we have to use to keep her in place because she's a little petite. But we're a little far from her feet touching the ground yet. So we need some help from Mama to bounce. Hey, Buggy girl. You riding your horsey? Ooh. Ooh, you gotta move your thing so you. Whoa. You do it. Isabel, you're gonna do it. You gonna move your wagon wheel? This is hard work. Oh, you got it. Get it, girly. Go, Isabel. Yeah. Uh-oh, we're gonna get frustrated because it's kind of close to bedtime. Oh, she got it. Bless you. Bless you. Oh my goodness. Baby drool a lot, which I think I've already caught this on camera. But drooly, drooly, drooly. Oh, I think we're gonna get frustrated easily right now because we're really close to bedtime. Oh, yep. The whine. That's the face. Get him. Woohoo! Oh, yay! Go, Isabel! Yeah, you got it. Yeah, baby girl. Oh, I know, you show that thing. You show that spur. You say, I got you, spur. I'll spin you around. Oh, man. Okay, this is, ooh, that's a face. Legs. Legs are going. Oh, I have a feeling I'm going to see this face for the rest of my life. No, that is on. Yeah, is it time? It's time, isn't it? One more bounce. Please note the excessive drooling. That's my sleepy girl. She is not happy. Alright, say good night. We're gonna put the horsey up in the stable. Good night. Oh, bye-bye.